Okay, sorry.
Come on, come on. I got one, I got one. Yeah, dig it.
Chug it.
That didn't work.
Oh man, that was weak. Crap. I got you.
Okay, well, give me another.
I'm all gonna get another.
You guys, no,
Turn
wait,
another
Audrey,
chair.
Audrey, give me another. But you should be sitting here, Chug. You should
Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it. Chug it, 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 burn! Oh, good one! Chug it, not you, Audrey. Her. Chug it, chug it, chug it, chug it, burn!
Oh, you got that.
Then chug it, chug it, chug it. Chug it, chug it, chug it.
Are you gonna put this on your name? But
No.
Yes, yes.
No, I don't think. I don't know. Depends on how well I can cut it. Good gravy, that was. Good grief, Charlie Brown.
Garfield!
Come on, come on.
Chug it.
Come on. Wake. Chug it. Boo.
I'm gonna move his back.
That sucked.
Well, she keeps making me Are you recording?
Yes.
You're not even pointing towards us, you're like ground. Isn't that all you
not mine.
Look how many cans of pop we have went through. And we still got one left. You gotta get on tape.
What?
Look how many cans we went through. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
and about to be 5.
Perfect, and that didn't work too well.
Oh.
Okay.
Chug it, chug it, chug it.
This should be a... Let me finish mine.
You are a glutton for punishment, I swear.
I'm gonna throw it out again.
It's recording.
Don't spray.
That's all I got.
I'll substitute some of my burps for yours, probably.